Using ZEGO with Uber Eats. In this video, you are going to learn how to use ZEGO with Uber Eats. So let's get started. Ensure ZEGO insurance coverage. Confirm that you have active insurance coverage with ZEGO that is suitable for delivery work. ZEGO typically offers pay-as-you-go insurance specifically designed for gig economy and delivery delivers. Then, link ZEGO insurance with your Uber Eats. Contact ZEGO to ensure that your insurance is properly linked or compatible with Uber Eats. They may provide specific instructions or documentation that need to be submitted to ensure proper coverage. Then, update Uber Eats account, log into your Uber Eats driver account, check the app or the driver portal for any specific options related to insurance. Uber Eats may have a section where you can input or verify your insurance details. Then comply with local regulation. Ensure that your ZEGO insurance meets the local regulations and requirements for delivery drivers in your area. Different regions may have specific insurance requirements for gig economy workers. Contact support if needed. If you encounter any issue or have specific questions about using ZEGO insurance with Uber Eats, reach out to teams of both ZEGO and Uber Eats for assistance. That's all. That's how you will be able to use ZEGO with Uber Eats.